I'm Joniec, Director of Joniec Plumbing. We run a commercial residential plumbing maintenance company in Bayswater, and we service predominantly the southeastern suburbs. I started my business in 2006 as a sole trader, and 2008 we became a company where I took on an apprentice and started growing our company one person at a time, I suppose. We now have 8 staff, 6 on the field, 2 in the office, and they run a great operation and we have a great team. When Sharee stepped in, we began working as a team. Business was going better than ever. We approached a few roadblocks, as you do in business, and there were some that we could overcome and others not so much. So we were looking into getting a website, and prior to signing the agreement, we were contacted by a coaching company called Tenfold, which we decided we would prefer to put our money into coaching as opposed to a website. Being unfamiliar with coaching, I suppose we wanted to get a more of an understanding of our business and how we could progress and get around these roadblocks. Some of those roadblocks were staffing issues, profit issues, and we thought we were making money and some jobs were at loss without us even knowing. So more of an understanding of what's profitable, what's not profitable, how do we get over these hurdles. When we started with Tenfold, we were unsure what to expect or what we wanted, but as it progressed, we started working on not only business goals and business plan, but also life goals. We were making decisions recklessly, should I say, or unevaluated, and now the decisions are made professionally assessed and it's based on fact. We've put a few things into place. One of those big key things was a job management system, which really controls the whole business, allocates jobs, it's timesheets, it's everything into one. The paper trail's gone. It's made a huge improvement in our business. We can now step away and run that remotely. So one thing I love about having a coach is just those unknown situations that arise in business. There's many hurdles that pop up that you can discuss with your partner and business partner, and also your coach. Your coach is another third eye that comes in and gives you that assurance or guidance. The business coach decision is probably one of the best decisions we've made in business. It's really helped us progress to that next level, which we will continue to grow, but it's also given us that work-life balance. I was burying myself into the ground. There was no balance, it was all work, 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 and since having kids, it's a new work-life balance. So having that is very important for us. In the early days, we would take any job, any customer, and work was work. Now with coaching, we know our target market, we know our niche, and we go after that quality work. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, I would definitely recommend Tenfold.